ignore the motorcycle, but look, we went to, where do we go? Frosted to get cupcakes, and they gave us a free
bunch of high tops.
Yeah, and I wanted those. Where is it? Where's my finger? I wanted those so bad, and look, I got little confetti ones.
I would like to go into torpor.
It's given, yeah, right? I'm with you on that.
But you won't let me.
Girl, you could stay home. Did nobody even invite you? Nobody asked you to come.
Oh.
No, I'm kidding. I would have beat your ass if you didn't get up. You know, it's been too long since we've been outside.
We was outside yesterday.
Exercising. You know, it's been too long we've been outside exercising. Don't play with me. Let's go, guys.
So we made it to the beach. First beach day of the season. It's March, but it's been warm today and it's supposed to be warmer tomorrow. And it was a nice day at the beach, so we're here. I don't think we're getting in the water, but summer is coming. I thought I wasn't gonna put my feet in, but I am. And it's cold, and there's a lot of seaweed. Oh yeah, it's pretty cold. And there was an oil spill like 8 months ago, so a little wary about getting in the water. But I'm here. So we finally made it home. It was a really nice time at the beach. It wasn't too cold, it wasn't too windy. It's still pretty warm. We were there for like 3.5 hours. The water was nice. There was a lot of seaweed and I seen some dolphins and I tried to film it, but I don't know how much I got. But I'm home and we're supposed to be going to see places tomorrow in San Diego, so I need to call and reschedule an appointment if possible. And I'm gonna do a little bit more work and then I'm going to either take a shower, or I want to take a shower, I want to eat, and I want to read. So that's what I'm going to be doing with the rest of my evening. It's like 4:30 or 23. So we'll see what the rest of the evening brings me.
Look, you want a cookie? You said you want a cookie?
Mm-hmm. A warm cookie.
We can't get a warm cookie. You're not down.
We haven't been to Insomnia in forever.
I know. I keep driving by with Leslie, and I'm like, I know what I'd rather be doing right now.
Stop right now.
Oh God.
Give me. Hi, young peoples. Cold out here.
It is quite chilly.
The wind died down, but it's still pretty windy today.
Pretty clear though.
That's the only way it gets clear in LA is when the wind hits.
Or
and when it rains. That's sad. But it's the truth.
Wow. My baby's at 500,000 miles. 200,500 miles.
She's seen some things, been through some things, heard some things.
Nothing compares to these blue and yellow, purple pills.
But she's got us home safely every time. Is that all you wanted to do in LA today?
I wish there was more to do. I was like, damn, that seems like dumb to go for
Just
just
go.
eyelashes. But I only want to pay $2. Like, I don't want to pay $7 for eyelashes at the store.
That's
when I could drive to downtown and pay $2 a pack.
We're going to buy eyelashes. But neither one of us like to be in downtown LA like that, so...
I mean, they probably got good coffee over there, but I'd rather sip my coffee on the way.
Yeah. It's part of the experience.
Yeah. I'm an LA woman. I need my iced coffee before I function. If we still were drinking Starbucks, it'd be very quintessential LA.
I was about to say that would have been perfect, but neither one of us drinks Starbucks, which I'm not mad about.
No, their shit sucks. When you start going other places, or if you have an actual appreciation for coffee and good tea,
We just gotta find more places.
that are actually good. Because there's a lot of places out here. Most of them are not actually good. Ooh, speaking of.
Shit, at least he was honest in the song.
Which one?
I don't know what it's called, but the one that we were just listening to, but the blue and yellow.
Oh, Purple Pills by D12.
We're going to Aruba
We are.
and Smokers Fest. There's a lot of things that we have happening in the next month.
I'm excited.
I am excited, but I don't know. This time is just moving so fast and so slow at the same time.
That's what happens in the middle of the year. From the last section of the first quarter, the last month of the first quarter to like the first month of the last quarter, which is most of the year, just goes in and be warmer and shit.
I was thinking that. But then I feel like the end of the year goes by fast too.
That's true. It's only the dead of winter where everything's like
A little slow.
We're going to find eyelashes. Hurry up.
you always are rushing me.
The camera needs to see you, that's why.
Not so close.
Better. You cute or whatever. Finding parking in LA is trash. Let's get to the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
But this is like an actual office building.
Hmm.
So I don't know if it's gonna take you to the lobby.
The people that work here don't have to pay for parking, do they?
Probably.
I would be hot as fuck.
People who live here, like when Carissia lived in LA, she'd pay for her parking garage like a monthly something, I think.